Mamelodi Sundowns continues to prove me right. Like bayifakazela lento lengisho mangithi Sundowns is ruining ama career wama player. Yabona, if you are not a favorite kuma Mamelodi Sundowns, if you are not a Khuriso Mudau, Teboho Mokoena, Aubrey Mudiba, Ronan Williams, go Sundowns usenkingeni. Those are the players that they seem to appreciate. Those are the players that they seem to love. Abenza sure ukuthi laba baphathwe kahle banakekelwe izinto zabo zihamba smooth. How is it that Sundowns would turn down an offer ya 30 million for lomfana lona uLithako Lithabo abangamdlali nokumdlala, an opportunity for the boy to go shine in Europe? 30 million Mamelodi Sundowns he turned down only for them good bamthathe lomfana bamthumele ku DDC. Now this is not the first time bayenza into so. Bayenzile ngomabhena. Bayenzile nangabo Malibongwe Khoza. Sundowns bafethi yabamosha labafana laba asali bayababhadala imali ekumele ukuthi bababhadale zona lama 30 million what. But why is it that when the players are supposed to leave Sundowns bahamba bayashayina kwezinye indawo mele kube nzima ukuthi bahambe ku Sundowns? To all South African football players, I'm telling you right now, akekho umunye ozonitshela leqiniso leli. Laba abanye bazoniloke banshasha bantshela ukuthi go for greener pastures nata. Signing for Mamelodi Sundowns is a death sentence. Signing for Mamelodi Sundowns is a death sentence. Mamelodi Sundowns hamba uyodlalela Mamelodi Sundowns mawungasafuna ukudlala ibhola ever empilweni yakho. And I don't care ukuthi ama supporter wakho nabathini noma bangangena bangithuke ku comment section. Vele umuntu omnyama iqiniso akalifuni. Umuntu omnyama makumele ukuthi umtshele iqiniso angeke azalamkele. Mamelodi Sundowns yawamosha ama career wama player. Bayakuthatha as a player bakudlalise nase bakukhathele ngawo bakukhafule bakulaxaze. Ukubona intombazane exhofoza ichepisi ayimunya yonke le juice yakho ayimunya yonke le yashukela amaceda vela ayithatha ekhafula athi ayilahlelele. Uthapelo Maseko bafethu nambona nama interview awenza ukuthi the young man looks depressed. He looks depressed because of what's happening to him. Lomchita clearly doesn't want to go back overseas. Kunama challenge amachita nawo yodlala overseas ufuna ukubuya ekhaya and play his football in the PSL. If Mamelodi Sundowns ayisamfuni, why ingamdedeli kanti ukuthi hamba ajoin Chiefs or Pirates? So again, I maintain, go to Sundowns as a player uthi wena you chasing the bag ne. Angithi bathi la amanye ama team awabhadali kwamanye ama team you play for the badge. Mara ukalibona iplay edlalela ibadge elini depression. Laba abadlalela ibadge they get game time. Laba abadlalela ibadge nakumele ukuthi bahambe baye overseas bayahamba baye overseas. Laba abadlalela ibadge makumele ukuthi ba release bayodlala kwamanye ama team bayaya. There's no player othi mina I played for the badge and then when I left the badge said you can't sign for our rivals. Only Mamelodi Sundowns has that rule like South Africa. And what they are doing to lomfana lona uLithabo Lithako is not fair, because if a young man is offered an opportunity to go play overseas and when as a club you have no plans zokumdlalisa lomfana lona niyabona ukuthi as the club animdinge lomfana lona and then you keep this boy, you are only wasting the young man's time. Wawungamdedeli lomfana hamba ayoshayina elsewhere. This is a good opportunity for uLithako ukuthi asibonakalise emhlabeni wonke ayodlala eEurope. Bona bomabhena bayodlala eEurope abokhoza. We are talking about young players who are looking to make a name for themselves abroad. Labafana laba badlali kubafana bafana, but if now they get an opportunity to go play overseas, at least whoever takes over from Hugo Bruce angasho ukuthi no sekunabafana abancane abagijimayo overseas abese. If these boys bayahamba bayodlala overseas, then labafana laba they take South African football, they put it on the map, and these boys then learn more football but develop kahle, they become ready to go represent at the highest level. Sikhuluma kumanje labafana laba bangabambana nama team amakhulu nama country amakhulu. So I don't know why Sundowns keeps doing this. And what's sad is that lento le ayiqala ukenzeka. This thing has been going on for years and years and years and years. Mara abantu bathulile. Bafethu, as a country we need to have important conversations that will better our football. And part of those conversations ilento yokusho ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns must stop killing ama career wama player wethu. If Mamelodi Sundowns doesn't want a player, either animsign or namrelease. If you are releasing the player, let the player go play where he's going to get game time. Let the player go play where he's going to shine. Why is it that nina nifuna ukudictate ama career wama player even after sebasukile ku Mamelodi Sundowns? What is happening to lomfana lona uLithako is not fair. It's not fair. Asibadlela umoni Sundowns, they've won 8 league titles 8 times in a row. Bayiwinile CAF Champions League bane star sethu siyababongela. I will never hate for loco. Of course ibenta yebholo ikhona. I'm an Orlando Pirates fan, omunye supporter Chiefs, omunye supporter Sundowns nokuphikisana. But when it comes to the well-being of players bafethu, we have to be one. When it comes to the well-being of our players and our football, we have to be one. Asikwazi ukuba Chiefs, ukuba Pirates, ukuba Sundowns masibona ukuthi players being mistreated. Lento Sundowns eyenza kulomfana lona uLithako is bullshit. Mele bawayeke lamasimba bawenza eSundowns. Lento ukuthi bona bazofuna ukusayina ama player bangawadlalisi, they keep players nanoma bangawadingi. Umbhedo yonke lento lena. And now it's sad is that ama legend athulile ahlela relaxed. Abantu bathulile bahleli ba relaxed. We are looking forward to the MTN8. I understand kumnandi siyodlala iMTN8, but iSundowns has to be addressed. What Mamelodi Sundowns is doing to South African football is wrong. Litlhako doesn't deserve to be treated that way. Especially because abamuphi enough game time. They have no plans for him. There's a ton of players abanawo abadlala le position le ayidlalayo. Miyekeni umfana hamba yoshayina elsewhere atholi game time. They have no plans for Thapelo Maseko. Why are you making it difficult for him to move on from the team and go join a big team? You can't expect Umchito Buyiko dlale World Cup, a player as big as that one kuthi ayodlalela Chippa United. Without due respect, not disrespect to Chippa United. You can't expect him to dlala ku National Second Division. Mtetelena yo join Chiefs or Pirates. He must go play where big players play. Big players play for Chiefs, Pirates and Sundowns. And if Sundowns wena awusamfuni lo mchita mtetela hamba ayodlalela Chiefs ne Pirates, yini lengake nisabayo. Na ngishilo na izolo ngathi the only reason they've dominated the league 8 times is because banemali, and now they are using imali ne influence yabo kumosha ama player. Mabamosha la ma player iChiefs ne Pirates namanye ama team awabi nama player right acacile. Awabi nama players are right acacile. Mina bafethu I always say and I maintain nyaphinda futhi. Mina ngizange kuzonesa ama feeling wama team. If I team idlala I'm a Pirates supporter mara bayazi nawo ukuthi Pirates mayidlala inyongo nya today iPirates la idlala umphetho. What Sundowns is doing to lomfana lona uLuhlaku is wrong, and as South Africans we can't keep quiet and watch Mamelodi Sundowns continue ukwenza lezi zinto lezi. Ayikho right lento labayenza abamdingi lomfana lo Luhlaku. Abamdlalisi lomfana lo Luhlaku. So lo mchita mele kahle a sacrifice career overseas and accept ukuthi yena is just a DDC player. Just a DDC player. Umfano ready. So that boy is ready to compete at the highest level. Mina kahle labafana laba bafana ukuthi mawufuna nokuba eda ama number wabo lapha na bafana uyabathatha uyabafaka. And there's this thing yama supporter or people generally bathi amara kunamuntu abafostayo ukuthi baba join. I want to explain something to you. Nangu umchita a player uyashisa udlalela iChippa United. Sundowns comes knocking. Ize ku Chippa United lo mfana lo number 1 usuke lokushini ne la suka khona usuke kasi uhlala emkhukhwini ne abakana mali enough. What this boy wants now is to use the career yakhe into ayithandayo ukuthi ashintshe isimo sasekhaya kubo. Then an agent ihlangane ne Sundowns. iSundowns it we'll pay this boy 1.5 million a month for example. Then this boy iyamkele lo mfana lona athi okay sharp clean 1.5 ngizoyithatha. Then bampresentele contract but amfana mawusayina la awukwazi ukuthi uyodlalela abanye abantu mahamba la. This boy is going to sign because number 1 ucabanga isisu la suka khona. He has a family to take care of. He wants to better his situation sasekhaya kubo. Ufuna ukwakhela abazali bakhe indlu, and on top of that he wants to play for a team edlala kuma CAF Champions League, and then he knows good to going to Sundowns. If he gets game time he stands a chance ukudlalela bafana, which means an opportunity to go overseas. Do you blame lo mfana ngokuyisayina leyo contract? I don't blame the boy, I blame the team. Good. Why need to lomfana masenqedile ngani ngasamdini akakwazi ukudlalela abanye abantu? But you know, this boy just wants to play football. Lomfana ufuna nje ukuthi adlala ibhola akwazi ukunakekela umndeni wabo. At the end of the day lama footballer bafethu mabadlala ibhola kubo umsebenzi. Banakekela imindeni yabo, bashintsha izimo emakubo. Some players bafethu come from very underprivileged backgrounds. Abanye basuka emakhaya la kunzima khona mfana uhlala emkhukhwini. Now umuntu uthi kuwe ngizokuphi million mara mawusayina le million awile, you will be tempted to take the million. So for me, Sundowns is not fair. I don't blame the players all the time. Yes, it's important to fund the contract, but what happens if you fund the contract then mount to pay a mover, no other team wants you, this is the only team that wants you, you'll always go la ufuna corner because now pegi malo pega ukuthi simo sizobanjani. The problem is labantu abeze nalomthetho lewe contract, and I like the comment enzo omunye umjida athi this thing needs to be taken to FIFA so that even in other parts of the world ayenziwa lento leyo. If FIFA na yourself melisho ukuthi bafethu we need financial fair play. If a player wants to leave a club and the club is sharp, we are willing to release you. Let the player go where he wants to go. As long as le club emthatha izonipha imali because they are buying him out of the contract, then uyini king. So iMamelodi Sundowns iyo bafethu emoshayo, and the moment money gaqala ukuba nemali eningi ebholweni nanani ibhola laqala lamosheka lapho. Laqala la ama players awasayinwa ngabo 90 million nanta ibhola laqala lamosheka lapho, because now other teams are not willing to spend that much because bona banayo. Laba bona banayo le mali le bazoyithatha bayikhiphe bathi nayi 20 million samsayina lo mfana lo, kanti bamsayinela ukuthi bamthathe bamgcine ebenchini. And of course he's a young man. It's not like nimupha nama financial advisor ukuthi while sigcinile ebenchini sikubhadala 20 million sizopha umuntu ozokusiza ukuthi imali save kanjani. So it's not fair lento yenziwa eMamelodi Sundowns. They are delaying the growth of players, they are delaying the growth of our league EPSL, because then the PSL becomes less competitive. The PSL becomes less competitive because wonke ama-player amnandi Sundowns yawasayini yawathathu abeke benchini now ufuna ukuhamba lama player ithi you can't go to Chiefs or Pirates. There's no way Shalulile would have left Sundowns ayodlalela Milford. So obviously uzohamba eAfrica to further his career. Then what happens to ama-goal ku-PSL? I-goal tally ya ku-PSL iyayehla, imoshwe yibo bona lapha. So iMamelodi Sundowns must stop lento le abayenzayo. They are very unfair to players, and what they are doing is selfish. Bacabangela bona kuphela. They thinking nje for igama leMamelodi Sundowns because badlala bo FIFA Club World Cup nan. And by the way, they can do it all they like. Okusala Sundowns will never be bigger than Chiefs and Pirates. That's a fact. Nanoma banga sign ama-player nga 90 million, banga win league guy 20 guy 50. When you come in South Africa and you ask about my team, it's Chiefs, Pirates. Those are the big teams in South African football. They will never be bigger than my team la oitu. Noma banga zaman, noma banga enzan. All I can say is that if Ulutaku was part of Pirates or Chiefs, kubuambile manje odlala overseas. Orlando i-Chiefs yamrelease ubani lo mfana lo mfolo Yusuf Mat Mbokazi wahamba lo mfana lo uMhawunkotha gone. Nangu noRilebuhile Mfukeng manje gone. Normally nale team yakhe sihlalile, we were hoping ukuthi bazomdlalisa lapha Champions League sihlalile sibhekile, but it's fine. Asikho lapha. So lento iMamelodi Sundowns eyenzayo wrong, and it needs to be addressed. And as fans, because we are the ones that control our football, by the way, because we're the ones that buy tickets sambe seyitedium senzani, we must talk about these things. Ayikho lento le yenzakala eyenziwa iSundowns. If you are done with the player, let them go. Niyayikhumbula interview yaka George Libisi aqeda ukushiya Chiefs aye kuMamelodi Sundowns. He regretted the move athi he wanted to go back to Chiefs. iSundowns athi awuyilapho. iSundowns yashaya lezi zaka Sylvester Mtawu ngathi awungitsheli lokho. But lapho. So when you go to Sundowns, just know that you are signing a contract that can control the outcome of your career yakho yonke ngaba ukuphela kwakho. What happens when you go to Sundowns as a player? It could either make you or it could break you. So that's what you must know. Ukuthi maya kuMamelodi Sundowns, either you are gonna be like a Teboho Mokoena, be a favorite, be given enough game time, or awuphi game time. uTebza naye wayahleli isikhathi eside kangaka adlala iSundowns angayanga overseas. You telling me play Ntswembu njengoTebza akaze kwaba no-opportunity ukuthi ayephesheya? You telling me uKhudiso Mudau Ntswembu kanje akaze kwaba no-opportunity ukuthi ayephesheya? Why is it that naye at the start of last season there were issues nge-contract yakhe afuna ukuhamba kuSundowns? Why is it that important players, ama-player amakhulu adlalela bafana nani ma ufuna ukuhamba kuSundowns 2 minutes bese indaba yakho iphelele emoyeni seka-right udlalela iSundowns? Why would you want to leave la kujatshulwe khona la ku-right khona? If money is that important, why is it that some players want to leave? Imali baleka uzohambelani la wena kunemali khona if kumnandi?